Welcome to the third video of this video series on NLP modeling for entrepreneurs, and this one is going to be by far the most important one because in this one finally you are going to go through some hypnotic process to really get inside the mind and body, get inside the brain of your role model, provided that you have been watching or consuming enough content from that person, or even meeting and spending time in real with that person. Before that, make sure to check the 7 days free challenge down below to develop the whole success identity inside yourself with some self-hypnotic process using NLP modeling and many other procedures I have included in it. It is free, and you will also receive a manual describing all the 5 steps of entrepreneurship, reaching the maximum level of wealth and success you can dream of. So back to NLP modeling. There are 2 schools of modeling within neuro-linguistic programming. The first one is implicit modeling, or the more unconscious part, the more unconscious identification, and there is explicit modeling, which is more about theorizing, creating visual models, or explaining theoretically what you are doing. It is great to have both. My only big beef with that thing is that most NLP people apparently qualified are only doing explicit modeling and never really practice. Whereas from my experience and in my opinion, when you want to model something, you need to practice in a similar environment than the person who has been mastering the skill you want to develop. Just studying and studying and studying by reading books for years, it's not going to lead you anywhere. For example, when I modeled some boxers, some high-level boxers, I went into the gym myself. I got punched in the face for hours and hours because I went through the fire. I modeled for real. Identifying to the guys and going through the same things they had been through. Just studying? No, it's not going to bring you any level. So explicit modeling has some use and is very useful later in the process, as you are going to see in the later videos in this series. But the first part, the main part, is to identify under some hypnotic procedure, and we are going to see here why you need to get down in trance before you can actually use the modeling process for real. And once you're down in trance, then you can have access to the wealth of information your unconscious mind has registered from the role model you have been interacting with or watching or studying over the years. To explain it as simply as possible, it is because we all have defense mechanisms, we all have fears, past trauma, all sorts of things that prevent us from seeing the main opportunities we have around us right now. The classical thing with entrepreneurs is limiting beliefs about money. Anybody who grew up in poverty or in the middle class has conscious limitations about, oh, money is bad, or oh, I will never be able to reach that level of income because it is way above what my parents were making or way above what I was told was possible, so I will never really get there. And the higher you go in business, the more you realize that actually no limit is really a limit, because it's only about the skills you develop all along. When a CEO is directing a company making 10, 15, even 100 million a year, I don't claim to have met specifically those people, but even meeting people lower than that, but like in the mid-range, I can say it's just a matter of new skill set they are developing over time. There is nothing magical or you have to be a genius. No, it's just time and effort, but time and effort doing the right thing. And you can always reach a higher level of success no matter what it is. The thing is, we all have so many blockages, conscious blockages, that even when we are being presented with an actual method that can allow us to get to the next level, if you don't get rid of all those conscious blocks and defenses and mechanisms, you're not even going to give attention to that new method you have just been presented. Or you will be like, oh yeah, that may work for some people, but not for me. Why? Why not for you? This is because of all those conscious blocks and mechanisms, and whenever I have somebody in therapy or coaching, we always end up on something they never thought about in the beginning of the session or up to the session, and we end up on something like, oh, I never thought about that. Yeah, you never thought about that, indeed, because it was unconscious, it was deep down, and it was not something you could see. So just reading books about success, it will nurture all your reservoir of ideas, but you're not really going to have access to that reservoir of ideas, and you will not be able to act upon it, because you will just procrastinate over and over again until you get rid of those blockages. So we are going to get right now under trance, where you will have access to all of that by shutting down, making asleep all your conscious mechanisms, all your conscious defenses. I'm going to guide you right now into some relaxation process and guide your mind into the identification. We call that deep trance identification. Give you some ability to get inside the mind of the role model who could be able to solve the main problem you have right now with your business in a matter of minutes. So please just stop the video here if you are not in a calm environment where you can focus and close your eyes for about 10 minutes. Please stop the video and go back to it at another time. So by now I will ask you to close your eyes. First of all, close your eyes and just imagine that you can take the kind of deep breath we take when we are really relaxed. It does not need to be the kind of breath that can rejuvenate you or empower you in just a second, but it will be the kind of breath that can loosen you up a little bit. And the more loosened up you are, the easier it can become to actually get into this state where your mind becomes more open to anything that you need to access and to all the things that you have at your disposal that may not have been easy to reach so far. I will simply ask you to go through your whole body sensations right now. Is there some tension in your neck? Is there some tension in your head? Maybe your eyes are stretched, or maybe your legs are shaking. Just soothe all of that and relax for once during the day. You can just evaluate how more relaxed you can grow and how easy it can become to get into that state where you are completely down. And in a few seconds, I will ask you to imagine that you can project on a screen. If you were watching a TV or video screen right now, can you project an image while you keep your eyes closed? Can you project an image of the main problem you want to be solved right now with the help of your role model? The main reason why you have picked a course on NLP modeling. What is the reason you want to use that skill in your life? Just project an image of the main problem you have that you want to be solved with that tool, with that method. And you can see yourself in that environment, in that movie, on that screen. You can see the thing you are doing that is not working or that is very difficult and that you have lacked resources for so far because you have tried to reach the next level and you have not been able to so far. And I will ask you to simply imagine that this role model, the person you have been watching, the person you have been interacting with maybe, or the person you want to look like, that person arriving close to you where you stand right now, watching this screen with you, and simply commenting on what's happening when that role model is watching you in your current stage of life. What is the main thing they are pinpointing? What is the main thing they are saying about what you need, about what you're not doing correctly into this phase of your life, into your business or into the life matter you haven't solved yet? And now I will ask you, while you keep that level of relaxation or focus or both at the same time, I will ask you to imagine that this role model is magically becoming yourself into that moment of life. What if that role model was becoming yourself exactly with the same tools, the same resources, the same amount of income, the same people around, the same connections, the same level of abilities, all the same things you have in your life right now, but with his level of understanding and his level of mastery on the skill you don't have, on the skills you don't have. Picture that person into your life and notice what it is that they are doing differently compared to what you were doing so far. Do they start their day in a different manner? Do they breathe in a different way? Do they speak to other people in a different way? Do they look at their laptop screen if they are working? Do they look at something different than the things you were looking into? And what it is that they are thinking, what it is that they are feeling that you were not feeling so far, or that you were not paying attention to. And to end that process, I will ask you in your turn to actually get inside, pretend you are getting inside the mind of that person. Get inside the mind of that person, that role model, and become that person as you are entering their mental space, their mental ability right now. Imagine you're getting inside their mind and body, and you have access to all their resources, to all their mindset capacities, to all their emotional management, to all their thinking patterns. And notice from that position what it is that you are doing differently, what it is that you are putting your attention on, what it is that you are centering your energy toward, what it is that you are doing that you were not doing before. When you are into the body and mind of that role model, what is the specific thing that you focus on that is developing your level of success, your level of income, all the things you had trouble with so far? And you can bring back with you the main thing you wish you could do more often. The main thing you want to focus on from now. Is it more relaxation? Is it more focus? Is it more creativity? Is it a better sense of clarity on what are the things to do? Better target what is the thing you need from all the things you have been learning here. And from there you can quite simply come back, start to come back. Come back from that movie, that image, all of that, let it evaporate and come back to the body and mind you had when starting to listen to this. And get back into your body, get back into your breathing, your natural ability, and open your eyes whenever you are ready. And come back into consciousness, and you will thank me later for that. Go back to listening this hypnotic track, hypnotic procedure. I have many more in the free 7 days challenge down below in the description, and you can listen to all those tracks. They will teach you to get deeper, and the deeper you go, the easier it is to actually access all the resources you have that are difficult to access when we are just in the conscious, stressed state. So get deeper down, and then you will be able to access all the creative aspect of your unconscious mind that will allow you to get past the limitations you thought was bothering, which in the end may not be at all. This is all for this video. I will see you in the next one.